Hey guys, today I'm going to show you what I got in the train show. So let's go with the locomotive I got. This is an Atlas E&N Rail Freight GP38. I found this at a railroad up in Vancouver Island, so it's a nice Canadian engine. And I got 3 of these Athearn Genesis. What are they called? Reefers, thank you brain, for $60, which I think is a very good deal. And I also got this, I think it's a Walthers Proto Diffco Dumper SBMW. Now, I did get something else, and I'll show you guys as soon as this train clears. Alright, here it comes. Is a tiny Bachmann speeder set. It's a nice little set, runs great, goes ready, and it's gone. And the last thing I got, which was ironically the first thing, was this. $15. What a buy. Alright, I'll have a video with the layouts up tomorrow, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.